Hello, this is Penney'S Place, and this is astrology for severe weather and hurricanes running from early August to late November 2012. In August and September, okay, from early August to mid-August, the general direction of the hurricanes will be Nevada, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Long Beach, and New Mexico. The affected houses are the affected states as a result of this would be the ninth house states of Southern California, Nevada, Utah, Northern California. Also, and the seventh house states, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and East Texas. From mid-August to late August, the general direction of the storms are Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama. The affected states are the 10th house states of West Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. Also, the 12th house states, Florida, Delaware, Georgia, South Carolina, Virginia, and Alabama. From late August to early September, the target states are the third house states, which is New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland, Quebec, Ohio, and Illinois. The affected states from this path will be the second house states of Rhode Island, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Nova Scotia, Pennsylvania. Also, the fourth house states of Ontario, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, and Missouri. From September to October, the target states in the general path of the storms will be Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and East Texas. The affected states in this path will be the 8th house states of Nevada, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Long Beach, and New Mexico. Also, the 12th house states of Florida, Delaware, Georgia, South Carolina, Virginia, and Alabama. From mid-September to late September, the 12th house states are the target areas, and the general path of the storms will be Florida, Delaware, Georgia, South Carolina, Virginia, Alabama. The general path, affected states in this path will be the 11th house, Mississippi and Tennessee, and the first house states of New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, Kentucky, Indiana, and Illinois. And in late September to early October, the fourth house states will be the general path of the storms, which would be Ontario, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, and Missouri. And the states being affected during this, in this path, will be third house states of New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland, Quebec, Ohio, Illinois. Also, the 5th house states will be affected: Canada, North Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado. From early October to mid-October, the general direction of the storms will be West Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. The affected states in this path will be the ninth house states of Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and East Texas. Also the 11th house states of Mississippi and Tennessee. From mid-October to early November, the general path of the storms will head towards Virginia, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, Kentucky, Indiana, and Illinois. The states affected in its path will be Rhode Island, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Nova Scotia, Pennsylvania. Also, the 12th house states of Florida, Delaware, Georgia, South Carolina, Virginia, and Alabama. From early November to late November, the general path of the storm will be Canada, North Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado.